What is up? So today I'm going to be trying 3 different places. The first spot is going to be IKEA, and I'm going to be grabbing their Swedish Meatballs. Then I'm going to be heading to Thai Bar Shi bar to try the Papaya Salad. And last place I'm going to head to is Kung Fu Tea to try their Kung Fu milk tea. So let's go. IKEA Swedish Meatballs with the gravy. Look at this. Nice and chewy. Not bad. I mean, pretty affordable. I think it was like $5.99 or something for this, but check it out. Nice and perfect. Though, so it's probably a combination of both. So these are Rebecca's Veggie balls. Check it out. Pretty good. Reminds me of like a curry or something. Check it out. Very flavorful. More flavorful than mine. Has a lot of seasoning. Not bad. Up, check it out. So this is the papaya salad. It has green papaya, tomatoes, lime, chili sauce. So big chunks of shrimp, peanuts, tomatoes. Check it out. Alright. So this is really sweet, sour, and spicy at the same time. Just goes right together. Very fresh with the papaya. Look at this. There's like chunks of like pepper, tomatoes. Everything just goes together with the textures. Look at this big chunk of shrimp. Really good. Papaya salad absorbed the flavor of the sauce, so did the shrimp. Oh, check it out. So this is the bitter melon milk tea from Kung Fu Tea. There's the tapioca pearls, bitter melon tea with the condensed milk. Let's stab it out. So it's really milky, refreshing, pretty sweet. Ooh, pretty creamy too, look. So the tapioca balls are really chewy, soft, and sweet, originally from Taiwan. The tea has a hint of melon, bitter melon. It's not really too crazy with it, so not too bad. The Kung Fu Tea with the condensed milk, tapioca pearls again. Yeah, this is I like this one better than the other one. It has more of a herbal tea taste to it. Tapioca balls again with the condensed milk, definitely good to go with the classics. Tapioca balls are really chewy, sweet, like Rebecca said. So that is a wrap for this video. IKEA meatballs, I definitely like. They're so cheap, affordable, delicious. Then the papaya salad is one of those things that I always grab at a Thai restaurant. It's sweet, spicy, and sour at the same time. And then last but not least, Kung Fu Tea. I definitely like that chain. Their milk tea boba is really delicious. So if you're in this area, give them a try. I'll see you guys next time.